I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can delete your outfits or custom on Roblox on your mobile on Android and iOS. So basically the interface for both Android and iOS are same. You just need to download the app called Roblox from your Play Store or App Store, but the interface is gonna be similar whichever phone you're using. Now to delete your outfit is pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm gonna be showing you. So you need to open your Roblox like this. After you download Roblox, you need to click on it and log in into your account. After you log in into your account, this is gonna be your interface, and over here at the bottom it's gonna show you your profile picture or like your profile avatar. All right, you want to click on that and it's gonna take you to the avatar section. Now once you're in the avatar section, what you need to do is go and versus customize. Once you go and customize, as you guys can see, this little person over here with the tick mark on my screen, that's basically my avatar over here or my costume, and I've only created one costume, that's why it's showing me one. But if you guys have created multiple ones, it's gonna show you multiple ones. Once you're over here, click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen, all of your outfits is going to be shown over here. But since I only have one outfit, it's just 𝐘𝐲, which is the outfit I made. It's only one. What I need to do is click on it. Once I select it, it's going to show me all the attribute I'm using in it. So if I want to customize it, I can click on the pen icon at the left corner of my screen. But I want to delete it, that's why I'm going to click on the delete icon at the right side of the screen. Once I click on it, and it said they will no longer be available in this collection. So if I'm sure, I can click on delete and this outfit will be deleted. So yeah, that's how simple it is to delete outfit or costumes on Roblox on your mobile.